Today I'll be doing a what's in my medical school bag, hospital bag situation going on right here. We're gonna have a look and hope you guys enjoy the video. Let's go. So basically this is my school bag. Got it from Bershka. I think it was around 20 euro. Pretty durable. It's like this leather snake print on it. It's cute. Clearly I'm in scrubs. I just finished working at the hospital. I have some stuff here that are meant to be used in the hospital, and then when I'm not gonna be in the hospital that day, I take those stuff out. But today is a hospital day, so this is what I got in my bag. First up, got my handy dandy stethoscope. Lemon stethoscope. She's cute. I love it. Oh, she's stuck. She's a cute plummy color. Love it. This is the classic 3 standard one. I have that in there. And I put out like this big folder. She's quite big. And I just have like my school book that I need to bring in on the daily. And just a notebook. I just have like my class notes and stuff whenever I'm in class. Have that. I have my planner. I like to write down what topics we do and stuff like that. Day. Plan it all out so when I get home I can revise what happened during the class. This is my hospital notebook. This is where I write down like my anamnesis, my patient's histories, stuff like that. We have to carry this around. Obviously with all these notebooks and stuff, I need a pencil case. My pencil case, it's from Oasis. Just regular pencil case, and then I have highlighters, pens, you know, just pencil case stuff. And I also have this Maxwell quick medical reference. I actually saw a couple of YouTubers who study medicine recommend this book. It just fits in like your lab coat. It has like serum drug levels, normal lab values, stuff like that that you need to have handy around with you in the hospital. And I have my wallet with my cards and stuff. I can show you. I have my glasses because I'm blind. Can't see from afar. This is how she looks. She's cute. Specsavers. We have obviously face masks and gloves. We need these for physical examinations when we examine the patient. Gum. Much needed. This is it's a nice snack. Speaking of snacks, so kind of. I have these Hall's Lime Fresh ones. These are so delicious. I don't think they sell this in Ireland, but they do sell this here, and I'm addicted. I would finish a pack of these literally within a week. It was bad. I actually haven't opened this yet because I know once I try it, I'm gonna get hooked again. I just have it just in case I need a little, you know, little sweetie. Obviously hand sanitizer. You need hand sanitizer, guys. Hand sanitizer all the way. Actually nearly running out, so I have to refill it again. Hair clip. You never know. These come in so handy. It's so hot nowadays. Clip my hair, a quick 1, 2, and it's out of your way. Literally. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. And that's all she wrote. I have my sunnies in the sunny case. Penny's finest. Ah, she's cute. Do you know, for the sun? Ooh, we love her. Ugh. These come in handy when I'm walking around. Those. Ah! I did not just break that. I think it's okay. I have a fan. Oh my gosh. You have no idea how many times I use this on my thigh. They call it in the Philippines. I have this cute little bag with like wipes, antibacterial wipes, tissues, stuff like that, you know. And last but not least, I have a little makeup bag. Use Ted Baker. Cute. Here, I just have this 2-in-1 mirror and hairbrush. And I have lip balm, the Nivea one in Strawberry Shine. And I have the Essence lip gloss in clear. I'm not clear anymore. Essence lip pencil, like this mauve shade. I have this Kiko Milano Smart Fusion lipstick, a 405. I have a hand cream, L'Occitane en Provence. I probably butchered that. Oh well. Because like, since I'm using hand sanitizer so much, it's quite drying. The girl's hands are dry. Last but not least, I have this travel size perfume bottle. She comes in so handy. Inside I have like a Marc Jacobs Daisy perfume. She's refillable. A little spritz and you're good to go. Yeah, this is all that's in my bag. That's all she wrote. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a like, subscribe, comment down below what you want to see more of. Stay tuned for my next video, whatever that is. I don't know, you guys should give me ideas because I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.